Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system compatibility and securing the installer so you can proceed without interruption. First, make sure Windows 10 and required free disk space are present. This prevents failed installs. Once done, locate the QuickTime installer you downloaded and right-click to run as administrator so permissions won't interrupt the process. If Windows Smart Screen or antivirus blocks the file, temporarily disable protection and re-enable it after installation to keep your system safe. You will now install and configure QuickTime so it behaves as you expect. Run the installer, accept the license, and pick Custom to control which codecs and file associations are added. This reduces conflicts with other players. Make sure to deselect unnecessary browser plugins and services that could create security risk. Once the installer finishes, reboot if prompted. Then launch QuickTime Player to confirm playback works and adjust preferences like default file types and video output. You're almost done. Validate that QuickTime plays typical MOV and H, 264 content, and that audio stays synced with video so playback is reliable. If you encounter errors, make sure GPU and audio drivers are current, install missing codecs, or use a modern alternative like VLC for problem formats. If QuickTime shows security or compatibility issues on Windows 10, keep it offline and remove unused plugins to limit exposure. If problems persist, a clean reinstall often clears corrupted components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.